Today we're going to change a spark plug on a K770 disc cutter. Changing the spark plug is often done as part of servicing the machine. Whilst the cover is off, check your air filter and gauze filter. Remove the air filter cover by removing the 3 screws with the torx spanner. Then there are 2 torx screws to be undone to release the air filter. You can then remove the air filter gauze behind it. Using the torx spanner to help you, remove the cap on the spark plug. Then, loosen the spark plug with a 19mm hex socket spanner. Once loosened, unscrew the spark plug by hand. Then simply replace your old spark plug with a new Champion RCJ6Y or NGK BPMR7A. Use the 90mm hex socket spanner to ensure it's tight. Put the cap back on and push down into place. Then replace your new gauze filter into position as shown. Place your new air filter into the air filter base. Make sure the plastic Husqvarna logo on the filter is orientated as shown. Tighten the screws with the torx spanner and check the seal is intact. Place the casing back over the filter and tighten. Be careful not to tighten too much into the plastic. That's how you change a spark plug on a K770. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.